like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
National Home Remedies for Weight Loss. Weight loss is a decrease in body weight resulting from either voluntary, diet, exercise, or involuntary, illness, circumstances. Ingredients you need: cabbage either raw or boiled. Take a bowl of cabbage either raw or boiled. Eat this before your lunch to burn the fat. Eating a bowl of this cabbage daily will help you to burn body fat. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about natural home remedies for weight loss.